Ebspunn-Sound of the streets. Man, these niggas out here weak. You can't speak up on my name if you ain't doing shit like me. Me and bro know we gon' slide and lift that boy up off his feet. And you can't spin up on my block if you think this shit is sweet. My mind racing, I ain't been getting no sleep. And I been quick to spin and put a nigga on the tee. Slap his bitch ass with the Glock and put a nigga straight to sleep. Put some foes on your head, they get you going just for them peas. Brody said he wanna spin, I'm like, let's do it. And we slide 100 rounds, so you don't wanna get into it. Me and Brody got the same amount of chops these hustlers ruin. We gon' slide and put a nigga on his back cause we get to it. If we ain't talking money, it ain't nothing to talk about. You already know we slide with Drakes, they got the chalk out. We gon' slide with fully ARs and we gon' walk him down. And he was dissing on the ground, we caught him out of bounds. Head taps, they can't believe we had shots. Don't say that. If I call run, he gon' get him gone for the love. Got these fiends wanting all these pills, these they favorite drugs. And I'm quick to knock a nigga out, but I don't push and shove. You already know we spin just like a CD player. When we spin up on they block, I bet you catch all of these shells. All them niggas dissing Drake, we finna send them straight to hell. Quick to up this bitch and shoot from deep just like I'm Tony Snell. Nigga, quick to up this bitch and it's like I'm Tony Snell. Long live Drake, man. Fuck thoughts.